See that box? That is a box of old cameras that I recently came into ownership of. Let's take a look. Back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cassie and I make videos about photography, videography, editing, things like that. Right before I moved back to Virginia, I was fortunate enough to be the recipient of a box of old cameras. So I have that box here with me today. Now I'm going to go through the cameras that I got. First, I'm going to take out the cameras that I already had. I just also put them in this box so that I could bring them up. I'm going to save this one for last because it's my favorite. So I'll show this one first. This one, oh, this is a Nikon. FM 2284838. I don't know what that means. It's like missing something on the button, like the top of the button there. It's making noise. Anyway, I'll do some research on these cameras and I'll put more information in once I have it. But yeah, so this is a Nikon. Next we have, oh yeah. So this is an Argus. This is what it looks like. Argus LC3. And it is absolutely adorable. I don't know when this was made or anything. It has a flash attached to the top. Oh, look, it's like gears. Anyway, so that's another one. Okay, and then this is what it looks like in the case. All right, so now we're getting into my favorite part of this camera haul. So, I have, oh geez, this Polaroid camera, Polaroid one step, yes, perfect, okay. And then I have this one, which is Polaroid 600 land camera, Sun 300 LMS, I don't know. And then, oh. Hold on. Oh, there we go. There it is. So there's this one. Pretty cool looking. All right. And now we are to my absolute favorite camera in this whole thing. All right, so this is also a Polaroid. Remember how to do this. Look at that. How cool is that? Viewfinder. I'm not even exactly sure how this works. It might be like this. But anyway, I'm very excited about all of these Polaroid cameras, and I'm planning on doing some extensive research into them. So I have a flash for that Polaroid, for the Model 95. If you have any like pieces of information or anything about these cameras, I would absolutely love to learn more about them. So if you recognize any of these or have any thoughts or information on them, then definitely let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.